Everybody fucking jump!
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this next episode started. Get everybody some box action. This shoe reads the Nike Dunk High SP White and Pure Platinum. I haven't even checked these out yet. Got a bunch of these in. I'm going to start unloading them. So if you guys are interested in dunks, let me know. Not a bad shoe. I'm not really a dunk guy, but everybody loves dunks so much. I don't really like the dunks before me because I mess them up so fast. They're made of decent quality material. This one isn't bad. Feels like Air Force One materials. I guess all the dunks feel like that. That's the reason, again, why I don't really buy dunks. I'm starting to get more. But I have Jordans and I have Air Force Ones by the ton. So I really don't need dunks. I get the rare dunks or the collaboration dunks, though. But dunks are the new fire. Everybody wants them now. Resellers, sneaker wearers. Oh, this is a clean one too. That bottom is pretty nice. I prefer the SB dunks myself, but this isn't a bad dunk either. I like the dunks are doing a lot of innovative things with sneakers as well. Like I had the peel away dunks. You can peel away the top of the dunk and it becomes another shoe. Or when you skateboard, it peels away naturally and becomes another shoe. Gives a shoe that little bit more uniqueness. It's a good shoe. Like I said, I think this is size 10, so I have size 10 to size 14 in this shoe. So if you're interested, let me know. Now, the thing is, people tell me about these dunks. They don't run true to size, so you got to know your size dunk before you buy. Sometimes you put these things on, they fit loose. Sometimes they fit tight. Sometimes they fit just right. Let you guys get a look at what the shoe's going to look like on your foot. Alright guys, let me know what shoes you're buying, shoes you want to see on the next episodes. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!